Alright, first off, there are a lot of things I've come to learn over the past few months. Like, one, people are always trying to steal your glory. Example, Sunit, back off.
I deserve all the glory that's given to Aaina. It should be given to me. I think I'm the best. Vaishwat can suck my dick hard.
Sorry about that. Dramatics is all about passion and fun, right? So what we try to do is, in order to maximize our performance, we try and make it as professional as possible.
Does this look better? I mean, like if I sit like this? Oh.
I can't even explain this. It's a little too emotional. So we don't really give a shit.
Thank you. And noises off is like a nothing on and something like it's an inception, gram session.
So, who goes and gets the water? Hey, Eddie, go. That's how it works here. But at the end of the day, it's gonna be good.
I love this picture.